Hi, guys, and welcome back. Now, I took a break during the holidays, and then real life got in the way. And then I had dogs interrupting me. But I had software issues from the recording all the way down to the game. And as such, we have no save games. So we're going to have to start a new game all over. But that's all right because if you look right down here at the bottom, we have had an update and there are some subtle changes, and we're going to find out what they are. Now, in a few days, we got another update coming out, and that one is supposed to have new slimes and a new area for us to explore. And I'm looking forward to that. I really am. Even though I do make fun of the fluffy, cutesy games like this one is a lot of fun. It really is. And it is a challenge to get everything accomplished. Now, I read in the newsletter that Monami Park, Monami, I can't say that. I read in one of their newsletters that they're going to have an update soon that puts in drones or robots that take over some of the drudgery of the ranch, of running the ranch. I don't know what that entails. I don't know if that's harvesting the crops and feeding or harvesting the plort. I don't know what the drones are supposed to do. They just were very vague, other than saying they're going to reduce the workload and make running the ranch a little easier to do. And they were going to be rather expensive to craft since they were a really nice item like the teleporters are. And I kind of hope that's in the next update. I would really like to see it. We will definitely find out. But we are going to start a new game, and the last one was called Diamond. So let's call this one Gem. And let's find a gem. Ah, that'll work. There we go. Now,